Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're digging into how BDC is, well, more than just an operational solutions provider for distributors.
Right. The sources suggest they're really becoming key partners for accounting departments specifically.
Exactly. So our mission here is pretty straightforward. Quickly understand how BDC's work can really upgrade distributor finances.
Yeah, from like smoother processes to much sharper strategic thinking.
We're using excerpts from the podcast, BDC More Than Just Operational Solutions, a partner to accounting teams. So let's just get right into it.
Okay, so one really interesting thing is how BDC tackles these, specific friction points, like reconciling electronic payments that can be a nightmare for distributors.
Oh, I bet.
Yeah, and the source shows BDC really pinpoints where things are going wrong. They integrate the payment processor data so it's actually usable for accounting.
Okay, let's unpack that a bit. So distributors aren't spending hours trying to match expected versus actual payments. BDC clears that up.
Basically, yes, they create that clear line of sight.
And the impact is more than just balance books.
Oh, definitely. It boosts driver accountability, for one.
Yeah.
And you get like really precise sales metrics. It's foundational.
Building a stronger foundation, not just patching holes. Got it.
Precisely. And that thinking extends to wider reporting issues, too. The transcript mentions a distributor struggling with reports they just couldn't trust.
Right, and misallocated costs. So essentially they didn't really know where their money was going.
Exactly. And if you can't trust your financials, well, strategic planning becomes a bit of a shot in the dark, doesn't it?
Totally. So what was BDC's approach there? Not just a quick fix, I assume.
No, it was comprehensive. They did a full audit, restructured the whole cost center mapping. You know how expenses get tracked to different departments or operations.
Okay.
The result was, well, much clearer visibility into operational costs. That led to better forecasting and smarter strategic decisions. Leadership got the clarity they needed.
That makes sense. It provides that solid ground for planning.
Which kind of brings us to efficiency. Think about calculating things like driver and sales commissions. Complex, often manual.
And prone to errors, I'd imagine. Very time-consuming.
Absolutely. The source highlights BDC actually putting in systems for tracking employee commissions, developing custom SOPs, too.
Wow. And the outcome, the hours saved must be significant.
Huge. The transcript talks about a major drop in calculation time, plus they found and fixed overpayment.
That's real money back in their pocket. So for distributors kind of bogged down in that manual work, this seems like a true game changer.
Definitely. Both time and accuracy, and then there are external things like supplier pricing and rebates.
Right, complex areas.
Yeah, the transcript details BDC uncovering a fundamental pricing issue at one place. It was messing up all their supplier rebate calculations.
A hidden leak in the revenue stream.
Pretty much. And BDC didn't just flag it, they actually fixed the underlying pricing architecture and automated the bill-back calculations.
Okay, automating that tedious stuff.
Which led to substantial monthly savings. It's like finding lost money. The transcript also briefly mentions system migrations.
Ah, yes, migrating accounting systems. Always stressful.
Right. BDC apparently helps streamline that too, making sure data integrates properly with the ERP systems, mapping the general ledger correctly. It ensures data integrity during those big changes.
So accuracy and smooth transitions are key there.
It all seems to come back to connecting the dots, BDC takes accounting data, operational data, and merges them.
Turning raw numbers into actual business intelligence.
Exactly. So the accounting team isn't just reporting historical figures.
They can offer deeper insights, contribute more strategically.
That's the idea. They get a much richer picture of the company's overall financial health and can help shape strategy.
So for you listening, what's the bottom line here?
Well, it seems BDC acts as more than just a problem solver for operational glitches. They really position themselves as a strategic partner for the accounting department.
Driving efficiency, ensuring accuracy.
And ultimately supporting those big strategic decisions across the whole organization.
Right. So as you think about your own business, here's something to consider. How could unifying your operational and financial data unlock, maybe, new strategic advantages you haven't even thought of yet?
And importantly, what kind of partner do you need to help you get that level of insight?
Good questions to ponder. That wraps up our deep dive for today. Thanks for tuning in.